Starting a workout routine can be life-changing, especially for beginners. Regular exercise not only improves your physical health, but also boosts your mood and energy levels. If you've been thinking about getting started but feel overwhelmed, you're not alone. Many people worry about not knowing what to do or where to begin. The good news is, you don't need fancy equipment or a gym membership to start. All you need is a willingness to take the first step. In this video, we'll guide you through simple, practical steps to help you begin your fitness journey with confidence and clarity. The first step in starting any workout routine is setting realistic and achievable goals. Think about what you want to accomplish. Maybe it's losing weight, building strength, or just feeling healthier overall. Setting clear goals helps you stay motivated and track your progress. Remember, it's important to start small. Instead of aiming to run a marathon right away, try committing to 3 short workouts per week. As you build consistency, you can gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. This approach prevents burnout and keeps you moving forward. One of the best ways to stick with a workout routine is to choose activities that you genuinely enjoy. Whether it's walking, cycling, dancing, or yoga, finding something fun makes it much easier to stay consistent. Don't feel pressured to follow trends or do what everyone else is doing. Experiment with different types of exercise until you find what feels right for you. Enjoyment is key to making fitness a lasting part of your lifestyle. When you look forward to your workouts, you're more likely to keep going, even on tough days. As a beginner, it's best to start with simple exercises that don't require special equipment. Bodyweight movements like squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks are excellent choices. These exercises help you build a strong foundation and improve your overall fitness. You can do them at home, in the park, or anywhere you feel comfortable. Focus on learning the correct form to prevent injuries and get the most out of your workouts. Remember, it's perfectly okay to start slow and gradually increase the difficulty as you gain strength and confidence. Warming up before you exercise and cooling down afterward are essential steps for any workout routine. A good warm-up prepares your body for movement, increases blood flow, and reduces the risk of injury. Simple activities like brisk walking, arm circles, or gentle stretching can get your body ready. After your workout, take a few minutes to cool down with light stretching or slow walking. This helps your muscles recover and reduces soreness. Making warm-ups and cool-downs a habit will keep your body healthy and ready for more workouts. Consistency is key when starting a new workout routine. Creating a simple schedule helps you stay on track and builds a healthy habit. Decide which days and times work best for you and write them down in your calendar or planner. Treat your workouts like important appointments that you can't miss. Even if you only have 15 or 20 minutes, sticking to your schedule will help you make progress. Over time, these small sessions add up and become a regular part of your life. It's important to listen to your body as you begin working out. Pay attention to how you feel during and after exercise. If you experience pain, dizziness, or extreme fatigue, take a break and rest. Pushing too hard can lead to injuries and setbacks. Remember, progress takes time, and it's okay to go at your own pace. Celebrate small victories and be patient with yourself. Your body will adapt and get stronger with consistent effort and care. Hydration is a crucial part of any workout routine. Drinking enough water before, during, and after exercise helps your body perform at its best. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, cramps, and even dizziness. Make it a habit to carry a water bottle with you and take small sips throughout your workout. If you're exercising for longer periods or in hot weather, you may need to drink more. Staying hydrated not only improves your performance, but also aids in recovery. Wearing comfortable clothing can make a big difference in your workout experience. Choose clothes that allow you to move freely and wick away sweat. Proper footwear is also important to support your feet and prevent injuries. You don't need expensive gear. Just make sure your outfit fits well and feels good. When you're comfortable, you'll be more likely to enjoy your workouts and stick with your routine. Tracking your progress is a great way to stay motivated and see how far you've come. You can use a notebook, an app, or even simple checklists to record your workouts and achievements. Note how you feel after each session and celebrate your improvements, no matter how small. Over time, you'll notice positive changes in your strength, endurance, and confidence. Keeping track of your journey helps you stay focused and encourages you to keep going. Having a workout buddy can make exercising more enjoyable and help you stay accountable. Whether it's a friend, family member, or coworker, working out with someone else provides motivation and support. You can encourage each other, share tips, and celebrate successes together. If you can't find a partner, consider joining a class or an online fitness community. Being part of a group can boost your commitment and make the journey more fun. Doing the same workout every day can get boring and may lead to plateaus. Mixing up your routine keeps things interesting and challenges your body in new ways. Try different types of exercise, such as strength training, cardio, flexibility, or balance workouts. This variety not only prevents boredom, but also helps you develop a well-rounded fitness level. Don't be afraid to try something new. You might discover a new favorite activity. Rest days are just as important as workout days. Your muscles need time to recover and grow stronger. Overtraining can lead to fatigue, injuries, and decreased motivation. Schedule at least 1 or 2 rest days each week, and listen to your body's signals. Use rest days to relax, stretch, or enjoy light activities like walking. Prioritizing recovery will help you stay healthy and make steady progress toward your fitness goals. Eating a balanced diet is essential for supporting your workouts and overall health. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid skipping meals, especially before or after exercise. Proper nutrition gives you the energy to perform well and recover faster. If you're unsure where to start, consider speaking with a nutritionist or doing some research on healthy eating habits. Remember, food is fuel for your fitness journey. Every step forward is worth celebrating, no matter how small. Take time to acknowledge your achievements, whether it's completing your first week of workouts or mastering a new exercise. Celebrating progress keeps you motivated and reminds you of how far you've come. Treat yourself to something special, like a relaxing bath, a favorite snack, or a new workout outfit. Positive reinforcement helps build lasting habits and makes your fitness journey more enjoyable. Setbacks are a normal part of any fitness journey. You might miss a workout, feel unmotivated, or face unexpected challenges. The key is not to give up. Instead, focus on what you can control and get back on track as soon as possible. Remember, progress isn't always linear. There will be ups and downs. Be kind to yourself and keep moving forward. Each setback is an opportunity to learn and grow stronger. Finding inspiration can help you stay committed to your workout routine. Follow fitness influencers, read success stories, or join online communities for encouragement. Surround yourself with positive messages and reminders of why you started. Inspiration can come from many sources, so explore what resonates with you. Keeping your motivation high will make it easier to stick with your fitness goals even when things get tough. As you start working out, you'll come across terms like reps, sets, cardio, and strength training. Understanding these basics will help you follow workout plans and instructions more easily. For example, a rep is one complete movement of an exercise, while a set is a group of reps. Cardio refers to exercises that increase your heart rate, like running or cycling. Strength training involves using resistance to build muscle. Knowing these terms makes it easier to learn and progress. Proper form is crucial for preventing injuries and getting the most out of your workouts. Take time to learn the correct technique for each exercise, even if it means starting with lighter weights or fewer reps. Watching instructional videos or working with a trainer can help you master the basics. Good form ensures that you're targeting the right muscles and making steady progress. Remember, quality is more important than quantity when it comes to exercise. Bodyweight workouts are perfect for beginners because they require no equipment and can be done anywhere. Exercises like squats, push-ups, lunges, and planks help build strength and stability. Start with a few repetitions and gradually increase as you get stronger. Bodyweight routines are flexible and can be modified to suit your fitness level. They're a great way to build confidence and lay the groundwork for more advanced exercises in the future. You don't need to spend hours at the gym to see results. Short, focused workouts can be just as effective, especially for beginners. Try starting with 10 to 20-minute sessions that fit easily into your schedule. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, or circuit workouts are great options for maximizing results in less time. The key is to be consistent and make the most of the time you have. Short workouts are easier to commit to and help you build a lasting habit. There are countless online resources available to help beginners start working out. From instructional videos and workout apps to fitness blogs and social media groups, you can find guidance and support at your fingertips. Many platforms offer free routines and tips for all fitness levels. Take advantage of these resources to learn new exercises, track your progress, and stay motivated. Online communities can also provide encouragement and accountability. While you can start working out with just your body weight, investing in a few basic pieces of equipment can add variety to your routine. Items like resistance bands, dumbbells, or a yoga mat are affordable and versatile. These tools can help you progress and keep your workouts interesting. Start with the basics and add more equipment as you become more comfortable and confident in your fitness journey. Safety should always be your top priority when working out. Make sure your exercise space is clear of obstacles and that you're using proper form. If you're unsure about an exercise, look up instructional videos or ask a professional for guidance. Don't ignore pain or discomfort, listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. Taking precautions will help you avoid injuries and enjoy a long, healthy fitness journey. Consistency is the foundation of any successful fitness journey. It's better to work out regularly, even if sessions are short, than to exercise intensely only once in a while. Building a habit takes time and patience, but the results are worth it. Consistent effort leads to steady progress and lasting change. Remember, every workout counts, and showing up for yourself is the most important step. Everyone faces setbacks at some point, whether it's missing a workout, feeling unmotivated, or dealing with life's challenges. The important thing is not to let these moments derail your progress. Acknowledge setbacks, learn from them, and get back on track as soon as you can. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a race. Be patient with yourself and keep moving forward one step at a time. The more fun you have with your workouts, the more likely you are to stick with them. Play your favorite music, try new activities, or turn exercise into a game. Invite friends or family to join you, or reward yourself for reaching milestones. When you enjoy the process, fitness becomes something you look forward to, not a chore. Find what makes you smile and make it part of your routine. Progress isn't just about the number on the scale. Celebrate non-scale victories like increased energy, better sleep, improved mood, or being able to do more reps. These achievements are just as important as physical changes. Tracking non-scale victories helps you stay positive and recognize the many benefits of regular exercise. Remember, fitness is about feeling better, not just looking different. As you progress, your fitness needs and goals may change. Don't be afraid to adjust your routine to keep things fresh and challenging. Increase the intensity, try new exercises, or set new goals. Flexibility is key to long-term success. Listen to your body and make changes that support your growth and enjoyment. Your workout plan should evolve with you. It's easy to compare your progress to others, especially on social media. Remember, everyone's fitness journey is unique. Focus on your own goals and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Comparing yourself to others can lead to frustration and disappointment. Instead, use others' success as inspiration, not competition. Your journey is about becoming the best version of yourself. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you're unsure about an exercise or need guidance. Fitness professionals, trainers, or experienced friends can offer valuable advice and support. Asking questions helps you learn and avoid mistakes. Remember, everyone was a beginner once, and seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Support is always available if you reach out. Results take time, especially when you're just starting out. Be patient with yourself and trust the process. Progress may be slow at first, but every workout brings you closer to your goals. Celebrate small wins and keep moving forward. Patience and persistence are the keys to long-term success in fitness and in life. Music can be a powerful motivator during workouts. Create a playlist of your favorite upbeat songs to keep your energy high and make exercise more enjoyable. The right music can help you push through tough moments and make your workouts fly by. Experiment with different genres to find what works best for you. Let music be your workout partner and boost your motivation every session. Group fitness classes are a great way to stay motivated and learn new exercises. Whether in person or online, classes offer structure, guidance, and a sense of community. Instructors can help you with proper form and provide encouragement. Group settings also make workouts more fun and social. Don't be afraid to try different classes until you find one you enjoy. Setting both short-term and long-term goals gives you direction and motivation. Short-term goals, like completing 3 workouts a week, keep you focused and provide quick wins. Long-term goals, such as running a 5K or building muscle, give you something to work toward over time. Review and adjust your goals regularly to stay on track and celebrate your progress. Mindfulness can enhance your workout experience by helping you stay present and focused. Pay attention to your breath, movements, and how your body feels during exercise. Mindful workouts reduce stress and improve your connection with your body. Try incorporating breathing exercises or meditation before or after your sessions for added benefits. Quality sleep is essential for recovery and overall health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to support your workouts and help your body repair. Poor sleep can lead to fatigue, decreased performance, and slower progress. Establish a bedtime routine and create a restful environment to improve your sleep quality. Remember, rest is just as important as exercise. Accountability can help you stay consistent with your workouts. Share your goals with a friend, join a fitness group, or use an app to track your progress. Regular check-ins and reminders keep you focused and motivated. Accountability partners can offer encouragement and help you overcome obstacles. Find what works best for you and stick with it. Rewarding yourself for reaching milestones can boost motivation and make your fitness journey more enjoyable. Choose rewards that support your goals, like new workout gear, a relaxing massage, or a fun outing. Celebrating your achievements reinforces positive habits and keeps you excited about your progress. Remember, every step forward deserves recognition. Life can be unpredictable, and sometimes your workout plans may need to change. Stay flexible and adapt as needed. If you miss a session, don't stress, just get back on track when you can. Flexibility helps you maintain a positive attitude and prevents frustration. Remember, consistency over time is what matters most. Exercise offers a wide range of benefits beyond physical appearance. Regular activity improves heart health, boosts mood, increases energy, and reduces stress. It can also enhance sleep quality and support mental well-being. Understanding these benefits can keep you motivated and remind you why you started your fitness journey. Exercise is an investment in your overall health and happiness. Fitness is a lifelong journey, and there's always something new to learn. Stay curious and open to new information, whether it's about exercise techniques, nutrition, or recovery strategies. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to reach your goals and overcome challenges. Embrace the process and enjoy discovering what your body can do. Visualization is a powerful tool for achieving your fitness goals. Take a few moments each day to imagine yourself reaching your goals, whether it's finishing a workout, feeling stronger, or enjoying better health. Visualization helps build confidence and keeps you focused on what you want to achieve. Picture your success and let it inspire your actions. The ultimate goal is to make fitness a natural part of your daily life. Incorporate movement into your routine, whether it's taking the stairs, walking during breaks, or stretching in the morning. When fitness becomes a lifestyle, it's easier to stay consistent and enjoy the benefits long term. Remember, small changes add up over time and lead to lasting results. Starting a workout routine as a beginner can feel intimidating, but remember, you're stronger than you think. Every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Stay patient, be kind to yourself, and celebrate your progress along the way. With consistency, determination, and a positive mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Your fitness journey starts now, and you've got this.